Hi guys, today we are making Brazilian truffle. So we will need condensed milk and cocoa powder. These are the only ingredients that we need for the Brazilian truffle. So let's begin. I have started gas and I'm taking about 200 ml of condensed milk. To this I am adding unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm using 100% cocoa here. I'll be gradually adding. I have added 3 spoons. I'll give it a mix. Mix it nicely. I have kept flame on low. You should always keep flame on low for this. As you can see, I am pressing it and spreading it across, and this is how you have to mix it, because we have to make sure there is no lump. It's almost done. I know this process is a bit untidy, but all the stickiness that is around, you will collect it all together. See, as you can see, it's all coming together. But you have to press it and mix it. You can see a shiny creamier paste here. If you think you are not able to manage the heat, you can turn off the gas, give it a mix, and then again start the heat. Here we are almost done cooking. See, now you can see it is all coming together and it is forming a ball on its own, and it's collecting all the mess that we had made around the pan. We are almost towards finishing the cooking. The intention behind heating the condensed milk is to caramelize it. Okay, so caramelized condensed milk and adding 100% cocoa powder, it gives you the desired sweetness as well as the cocoa flavor. So you can see how it is all come together. You need to keep on pressing as if you're doing some soft dough. Now this is when you need to stop the flame and stop cooking. This is completely done. I'll turn off the flame. Now what we have to do is, you can grease a plate separately and let it cool, or you can also leave it to cool in this pan itself. Since we are using a non-stick, it will be easier later to make balls. So let it cool for 20 minutes. We'll see how it is after 20 minutes. So guys, after 20 minutes you can see how this is. It doesn't stick. If you feel it is sticky, you can use ghee apply it in your hands, and then let's start making balls. You can make balls as per your required size. You can make bigger balls or small balls. You can give it any shape you want. I have given a round shape. You can press it and make it square. Now here you can see I have chopped almonds and cashews. I have roasted them dry, and then I have finely chopped them. Now I'll just dip this ball into this mixture. Press the dry fruits into it. And your Brazilian truffle is ready. Now what you can do, you can also make such balls, or you can mix the entire mixture with this dry fruits and then make the balls or give it any shape. This will give you the crunch of dry fruits in every bite. Use a non-stick base or grease the plate and use it. I would prefer non-stick because if you grease again it will be sticky and all your dry fruits powder will start sticking to it. You can choose any dry fruit. You can also use pistachios, but use unsalted. You can also make use of cornflakes. You can crush cornflakes, roast it a bit if you want it to be more crisp. Roast it a bit and then coat it with this with the balls or any shape that you want to make. It is still sticky. I can still go ahead and use the dry fruits powder. So you can see this is why I'm using a non-stick base, because it keeps it neat and there is minimal wastage. You can grease your hands. And the truffle is ready. Enjoy it with your friends and family, and I'm sure kids are going to love it. Brazilian truffle is ready in all shapes and forms, as you can see. Here I have dusted cocoa powder and you can see it has got a matte finish. So if you feel it is a bit sticky, you can just dust cocoa powder . Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you liked the video. Also subscribe to my channel for more such interesting recipes and other exciting videos.